National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeast Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitewater, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, Menominee Falls, Whitewater, Pewaukee, Sussex, Elkhorn, Heartland, Mukwonago, Delafield, Wales, Okauchee Lake, Oconomowoc, Ottawa, Merton, Dousman, North Prairie, Palmyra, Lac La Belle, Brookfield, and Rome. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for southeastern Wisconsin.